Hello everyone. Today's class is special as one of my senior colleague will be taking a class. So he is Rajesh Damne from Mumbai. He's a C lesson certified coach and he'll be taking a class related to ball control skills. So let's begin the class.
To start the session, I'll be starting with the warm-up first. Okay. The warm-up exercise, first exercise is skipping. I don't need a skipping rope here. Okay, I can just imagine this skipping in my hand. I can start with the exercise. Slowly bouncing on your toes. Keep your body straight. Okay, this was skipping exercise. 1 minute into 2 sets, as I mentioned in the session plan. So follow the session plan. That's very important for the duration. Okay, next exercise is spot running. Take a position. Use your upper body nicely when you're doing this exercise. Very important. Important that we are using upper body also here. Okay. Slow moving in your place. Gradually you can increase your speed here. So as fast as you can. Yes. So gradually you have to increase your speed here. This exercise is going to be for 30 seconds into 2 sets. Okay, so this was our warm-up session. A little more with the warm-up with the ball now. You can do it in exercise number 3. Just freely you can do anything with the ball, tapping on the ball, using your inputs here for 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute you can do your skills with the ball for the warm-up. So you can move like this. Anything. With the output here, then pull back, output here, pull back, input again, tapping on the ball, pull back, moving forward, moving backward. Okay, anything you can do for 1 minute. Okay, to start with the run-up section, my first exercise is step over. Okay, step over on the ball. The ball is going to be stable here. I'm not going to move the ball in the first exercise. Okay, step over. When I'm doing a step over, I want my body to be used here. Step over is used to dribble to the opponent and going across him. So your body is very important. How the body is moving. You're showing that you're going on one side and you're taking the ball on the other side. Step over is very important drill. Where you can beat your opponents. Okay, start with exercise step over exercise. So 1 with my right leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try and avoid touching the ball right now. Okay. So step over will be 20 with your right and 20 with your left. So 2 sets of that. So if you're doing 20 with your right, 20 with your left, again 20 with your right and 20 with your left again. So it's 40 on each leg. Okay. So next exercise number 2 in the run-up. Step over and take the ball away from the opponent and pull back. Start with step over. So start in slow motion right now. First, step over, out foot, and pull back. Same with the left leg. Step over, out foot, and pull back. Again, step over, out foot, pull back. Step over, out foot, pull back. Using my right leg now. Step over, out foot, pull back. Step over, out foot, pull back. As you get comfortable and you got the trick, you can do more faster. Next step, faster again. Step over, out foot, pull back. Step over, out foot, pull back. Again, I'm using my body, throwing my body on the other side when doing a step over. Step over, out foot, pull back. Step over, out foot, pull back. Okay, this was step over, out foot and pull back. Very important drill. So I want the kids to learn this exercise as fast as they can. I hope the kids will like it and complete the session properly. Thank you so much. See you soon.